All right, so here we are again. Burn Tracks doing another video, putting in a like an Apple Play plug into my 2022 Road Glide Special. Buddy of mine had an extra plug, so just reading through the manual. I've removed the main fuse. Getting into the compartment here. Just remove the left saddlebag, pull that out, super easy. Remove the 4 screws for the vent. Gave that a tug on the front, then pulled out from underneath the from the overlay here, and then went ahead and removed the speaker grills just by putting in. You can put your hand in here. So when you remove this, you can just stick your hand in here and pop the grill from this tab location and this tab location, and then you can just kind of pull the tab that's like hooked right in here. So you do the left side, do the right side, it's good to go. Pretty easy. And after I removed the vent, I replaced just 2 screws, just kind of loosely, just to make sure that when I remove this outer fairing so I can get access, that this doesn't fall to the ground. All right, so that's where we're at right now. All right, so now we've disconnected the 2 lamp connectors right here on either side of the top of the fairing. Remove the screws from the top, which was right here, and then same on the other side. Then remove the lamp connector one here, and then removed both for where the wind deflector is. And now we're getting ready to just rotate this thing up and expose the spot we need to plug in the connector. Okay, so we got this all plugged in. This for this model 2022, you put the bypass plug right in here. You just unplug that, slide that in, bam, done. Now we're just gonna put everything back together the same way took it apart, just in reverse order. All right, there it is. Now we have CarPlay.